guys, this is Let Us Eat and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to make a decorative box from nautical rope and the decorative tube from Dollar Tree with a flannel back tablecloth. If you are new here, thank you so much for dropping by and checking me out. Around the holidays, I like to get crafty and try my hand at things that I've seen on Pinterest. I am not really a crafty person, but I try and I practice to get better and better. If you are new here, thank you so much for checking me out and giving me a chance. Thank you to everyone who supports me every day. We're almost to 700. We're just a few away now. Make sure you subscribe because when we do, I'm going to issue out 2 $10 Dollar Tree gift cards just in time for Christmas. Every milestone, I issue out 2 gift cards, one for a new subscriber, one for comments. If you are new, you must comment and let me know you are new. If you comment, you must already be subscribed. And you must be a U.S. resident for both. Plus, I still need 5 more subscribers to give out the items from Dollar Tree. They are a closet organizer that hang in your closet and hold up to 10 garments and save you anywhere from 20 to 50%. My subscribe guy just popped up. He's asking everyone to go ahead and smash that like button. He's also directing you to smash on that subscribe word down below. Don't forget to tap on that bell. I have a fun DIY for you. I have a big cereal box, the flannel back tablecloth, my scissors and glue, and my nautical rope. We're going to decorate that box. I'm going to start by gluing the very bottom a line from one end to the other. And you're going to secure the rope. Be careful pressing down on it because it's going to be very hot. And you're going to continue doing that all the way around until all the rope is gone. This is perfect for watching a holiday movie or binge watching TV while you're putting the rope around the box. Let's get this all the way around. Get it started. I've already burned my fingers once, so be very careful. Hot glue hurts on your skin. If you can find the finger protectors, Dollar Tree does carry them. You can hear my kid in the background. They're in the bath. In the evening, and you're going to start your second row by doing the same thing. Make sure you have an entire pack of glue sticks or 2 for this project. The glue gun I picked up at Walmart, it's a Gorilla glue gun. And the glue I get at the Dollar Tree. We buy our cereal bulk because it's the best price on the market for a family size box. And you get twice as much. I'm going to continue to wrap it around. And I'm going to wrap it around to about the middle of the L on the loops. And if you thought fruit was spelled F-R-U-I-T, F-R-O-O-T. It's F-R-O-O-T. Gonna make a festive, decorative box to put things in. Now we're gonna start the third row. This is what it's starting to look like, and I'm gonna continue on to the L. Now I am going to open up this rope, which is 15 feet, and finish up to the L. And then I'm going to put my flannel back tablecloth in and show you what I'm going to do. Similar to the nautical rope. And then I'm going to show you what I'm going to do with the flannel back tablecloth. I'm out of the natural color rope, but I have some green mesh rope too, similar style to the nautical rope. I'm going to wrap it all the way around, and if it reaches just under the L, that's going to be fine, because I have a lot of flannel back material. Here's what it's looking like with the green, and I'm almost done wrapping the green. And then I'm going to play around with tablecloth and see how I want to fit it into the box. Here's what it's looking with the green at the top here. I thought it would look festive to add a splash color. And I have this flannel back tablecloth measure out what I need. And I'm going to cover the rest of it like that. I'm going to put it into my box. And then I'm going to cut the excess off that I don't need for this project. Cover it up around the rope area. I'm going to cut the tablecloth. To where I want it to meet up with the rope. And I'm going to glue it to the box, so you don't see any of the box, just the rope and the pretty flannel black tablecloth from Dollar Tree. I have now cut it, and I'm going to arrange it how I want it. Making sure some goes in the box here. And we're going to glue and try to seam it as best as we can with the glue gun. So it looks like a decorative box. And you want to make sure that the rope shows. I'm going to start gluing it, and then I'll show you what it looks like when I'm done. I'm going to apply a generous amount of hot glue so the material stays. Then you're going to cut the excess off. And make sure it's straight and even. A little bit at a time so you don't lose your place. And then you'll put a final glue and tuck in the rough cut. And you can also use this with a pillowcase from Dollar Tree and any size box. And to seal off the rough edges, I'm going to glue some green rope all the way around. That means my hand touched the hot glue when I shake like that because it is hot. I'm going to go all the way around. Now I'm just going to glue the inside so it stays in place. And glue it all the way around. I am not a crafty person, so I thought I would give this a try. I like to do crafts during the holidays. And that is what it looks like. I'll show you a full view. Here's what my decorative box looks like, and I stuck on a Merry Snowflake ornament from the Dollar Tree. I absolutely love this. Not very good at crafting, but I love the way it came out with a little bit of green and different texture ropes. And then the flannel back tablecloth, finishing it off at the top. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. We made a great craft tonight with just items that you had around your house and items from the Dollar Tree. You can make really great DIYs for little to no money if you just think outside the box. My subscribe guy, he just popped up. He's asking everybody to go ahead and smash that like button. He's also directing you to smash on that subscribe word down below. Don't forget about the giveaway, and don't forget about the gift cards when we hit 700, which is going to happen soon. Don't forget to tap on that bell.